Once there was a group of baby African animals who loved playing together. There was a zebra, a lion, a monkey, and a meerkat.
Hurry, everyone! Let's have some fun! Yeah, let's do our special friends handshake.
Yeah, with the giggly wriggle. In the song, don't forget the song.
It's a special shake that we do like this. And when we get together, we just can't miss. It's a wriggle and a giggle or two. And that's the way we do it now in our special group.
Then, one day, a new baby animal came along.
Oh, hello! Hello! Haven't seen you before. I'm Lion.
Yeah, and I'm Monkey, and this is Zebra and Meerkat. What sort of animal are you?
I'm a whatchamacallit.
A whatchamacallit? Oh, do you want to be our friend and play with us?
Oh, yeah, I'd love to. Well, what do whatchamacallits do? Do they trot like zebras? Or prowl like lions?
Or do they swing through the trees? Or sit up like meerkats?
Whatchamacallits don't do anything like that. Ooh, well, let's teach whatchamacallit our special friend's handshake.
Oh, yeah, with the giggly wriggle. And the song. Don't forget the song.
Come, follow us.
It's a special shake that we do like this. And when we get together, we just can't miss. It's a wriggle and a giggle or two. And that's the way we do it now in our special group.
Whoa! I don't think whatchamacallits are very, very good at those moves.
No. You did fine, Watcher. Can we call you Watcher?
Yeah, sure. You know, that wriggly armpit is a little bit tricky. I just can't seem to get it right.
Don't worry, Watcher. We'll help you.
So all the baby animals began to practice the giggly wriggle. But suddenly, the whatchamacallit started to do a completely different move.
Hey, Watcher, what you doing that for?
Maybe she's trying to tell us something.
Oh, she's pointing up at the sky. I think Watcher's telling us it's about to rain.
Rain! Oh, I don't want to get my fur wet.
Watcher led the baby animals to shelter. Oh, just as the rain began to pour.
Oh, thanks, Watcher. We were going to get all wet. Yeah, I don't like getting my fur all soggy.
Oh, how did you know it was going to rain? Oh, 'cause that's what whatchamacallits are good at. Tell it when it's going to rain. So when I do this, you have to all run for cover. That's so cool. You're a great friend to have, Watcher.
And when it had stopped raining... good. The baby animals were ready to play again, and they decided to try their special handshake out one more time.
Hey, let's all do our own kind of wriggly giggle handshake. Let's go!
It's a special shake that we do like this. And when we get together, we just can't miss. It's a wriggle and a squeak and a giggle or two. And that's the way we do it now in our special group.
And from that day on, the 5 baby animals were the best of friends. Hey, let's shake some more over there.
Moving and shaking!